Hey Scorpio, getting ready to do your general reading. This will be from the 2nd of October to the 8th of October. I've done the full moon reading, so I won't be counting 1st of October. Um, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs for the dates between 2nd to 8th of October. Oopsies. Okay. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Devil. Not a very pleasant energy to have, Scorpio. But I see an earth sign individual coming your way, offering you something beautiful, something stable. You have been involved with this earth sign individual in the past. Now, this is not going to be resonating with everyone. So, guys, take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. This person in the past offered you the cup of love, care, kindness, but I feel you both were looking in two different directions. This relationship was more of a burden than it was peaceful. Oh my god, there's so many people involved, Scorpio. You've got the Devil card again, but this time it's in reverse. And you've got the Death card also. So I'm going to keep it out. This person made you feel abandoned. They made you feel as if loving you was a huge task for them. And even though you were always offering them that love, that support, this person just left. They did not want to be with you. Could be that they themselves were dealing with a lot of other issues and they did not have time, money, or energy to be with you. Money, I'm saying because sometimes, the other person automatically assumes that loving somebody means spending on them, which is not always the case because, Scorpio, I know you're not like that. There could be someone else coming your way offering you something new when it comes to love. But I feel you will give this person a chance who's coming back from your past. You're not going to give the other person a chance. Even if you become friends with them, you're not giving them a chance to be in love with you. Now, this wasn't supposed to be a love reading, but I am only getting romantic energies out of this. So, forgive me, Cancer. This person could be an earth sign individual. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn could be a fire sign individual. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Another Scorpio or Cancer, Pisces. Could be a Gemini as well, since you have the Lovers card. Yeah. This person left you out in the cold after showing you a beautiful picture. You fell for it, Scorpio. And it led to a lot of struggles. It made you feel confused and you kept waiting for them to come back even though you knew there's no chance for them to come back. But now they are coming back and they're coming back to show you another rosy picture, but it's up to you to decide whether you want to take this or leave it. Even if you want to take it slow, Scorpio, because your mental peace, your sanity is more important. If this person can put you in uh, this energy where they don't know whether to choose you or somebody else, they can put you in that energy once again. They will ask for forgiveness. Be flexible when you encounter such an offer because they will ask you to let go of the anger. They'll ask you to forgive and forget and start afresh. But do remember how it made you feel before you forgive them so that you don't put yourself through that again. Your heart needs to heal, Scorpio. But have faith, things are coming a full circle for you, and you are being helped and guided by the heavens themselves. So don't worry, Scorpio. When this person comes, don't get scared. Keep your options open because they have their options open. They're looking everywhere. You're just one of them. Remember that because there are a lot of people here. And don't get trapped again because nothing is set in stone. Yes. Take care of your mental health, Scorpio. I feel there can be some kind of anxiety in the coming days. So be at peace, do things that make you happy, guys. Because that's all that we need, happiness. Only then can we keep our surroundings happy and our life going. That was your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.